Hello, I'm Mako Ikeda. This time I'll be introducing items I bought from the series selected by Hyakuin Mania. This time there are storage goods, convenient items, and even cleaning goods, so please use this as a reference before you go shopping, okay? Alright, first up is this hanging pouch. This is a mesh pocket with a fastener, and it actually has two mesh pockets attached. It looks like this with hooks attached at the top, so you can just hang it up as it is and store your things. It looks like the kind of thing you might find in a travel kit where you can just hang it up and use it, but this one feels a bit more compact, like a smaller version of that. After you use it, you can fold it up or roll it up, and since there's a rubber band attached to the back part, you can keep it together like this. It feels really light and compact, so it's perfect for carrying around. When you want to use it, you can just open it up and hang it like this. I think you could even fit just the bare minimum of skincare items in here, or maybe use it as an accessory pouch. It's really just the right size. It's not really that big, so yeah. You could probably hang it inside your bag too. Since it's made of mesh, you can see what's inside at a glance, which I think is really nice. Thank you very much for watching. Next, this is a closet hanger stopper. It also comes with a label, and as you can see, it's shaped like this, so you can hang it on your closet and use it to separate your clothes by category. Since the index seals are all in one line, you can put the seals here according to the season, so you can easily tell which section is for which season, like from here to here is winter clothes. Two transparent seals are attached to the edge for writing custom labels with an oil-based pen or similar. You can also do this so after you change your clothes for the season, if you just hang your winter down jackets and thick clothes on the hanger as they are, they tend to spread out and take up a lot of space. But by using this stopper, the hangers stay in place and don't move around, so if you put this on, the hangers won't move any further and your clothes will be held in place right here. Even if you don't use a compression bag for your Western clothes, you can still keep them fixed in place to some extent with this, so they don't move around. If you put them in a bag and compress them, the clothes can get all wrinkled, which you probably want to avoid. But if you just want to keep them from spreading out too much and want to move them by hand, you can just use this to keep them in place. It's really convenient, and if you put a label here, you'll still have space below, so you can even hang more hangers here if you want. You can also hang spray bottles and things like that on it, so please keep that in mind when you buy it, since the width of this solar pole is about 13 to 1.3779527.559 inches. Thank you very much for watching.
Yes, keep going this way.
This is a jacket holder. I introduced one before in Sly Queens, but I thought it was also in the Seria series, so I bought it. If it's from Seria, it only costs 100 yen. Next is this one. There's a round carabiner on top, so you can use this to hang it on your bag or something. This is the type that opens from the side, so you can put a jacket or a stole in here and keep it closed. By using this, you can hang your jacket on the outside of your bag so both of your hands are free. Also, this is the type that can be adjusted with a belt, so if you want to keep it compact, you can tighten it like this. Yes, you can tighten it just like this. You can do that too. This isn't exactly a pelon, but that's also nice, isn't it? If you make it as small as possible, it looks like this. In summer, the temperature difference between outdoors and indoors can be intense, which I also find challenging. When I'm carrying things like cardigans, shirts, or stoles, it's really helpful to have this because even if your bag isn't very big, you can just hook it on the outside. Until now, I always thought I'd have to stuff everything into my bag, so I would end up carrying things like share shirts or structured items in my hands. But with this, you don't have to worry about making your bag bulky or carrying things in your hands, so it's really convenient. Even when I'm going out the door, I don't want to cram everything into my bag, so I can just hang things on the outside and keep my hands free. It's really nice, and I think this is a great item. I also hope they'll come out with beige or brown versions. Next, this is a strap pouch. You can also attach this to your bag and use it. As for the item, it looks just like something I've seen before with a long pouch shape. There was also a slightly smaller type, so when you look at the details, it feels familiar. It comes with a belt so you can hang it or attach it. Also, the side of this loop part is open, so you can pass it through here and fix it in place to use it. The pouch opens in this small letter style, so it opens up like this. When you look inside, the material in the middle looks like it would repel water, so it seems to be made of water-resistant material. The gusset is a little bit there, so I think you can fit a reasonable amount of things inside. In terms of size, it's just right for a smartphone. This is the iPhone 13 Pro, but if I try putting it in here... Yes, it fits in perfectly. Even with the case still on, it goes in just fine. Of course, you can also attach this to the outside of your bag, but you can just put it inside your regular bag and use it as a way to keep your smartphone in a fixed spot. Also, since it's this long, you don't have to limit it to just your smartphone. You can easily fit a longer lipstick or even a pen in here. It looks like you could even fit a mascara in it. Also, from here, you can hang a carabiner on it when you're outdoors and attach it to your pants belt loop or something so you can easily grab what you need and take it out. I think that's really convenient. The handle is surprisingly tall, so it doesn't feel bulky at all, which is also nice. I love that you can use it in so many different ways depending on your needs. Okay, next up is a cleaning kit. These are simple cleaning wipes for your fingers, and there are 5 in the pack. Inside they look like this, so you can use them to wipe your fingers. There are also some towel-like items included that you might want to use. They're shaped like fingers, which is kind of cute. Okay, just for fun, I tried putting them on all my fingers. With these, you can clean using your favorite finger. I thought you might not be able to use them unless you use your thumb, but they fit on my thumb too, so you can use them with your thumb or index finger, whichever you prefer. You can probably use them for all sorts of things, and since you can wash them and reuse them as they are, I think you can use them for various cleaning tasks. It seems like the source of the stain is the sash. It says you can use it for cleaning narrow spaces like behind blinds or under appliances. It seems perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. Just be careful because sometimes the color might transfer, so keep that in mind when using it. It also says you should wash it with water before using, but you can use it for both wet and dry cleaning. You can wash it and use it again and again, so it's really convenient and lasts a long time. Besides just wiping up dirt, you can use it for a long time, which is great. To clean, gently hand wash with a neutral detergent and air dry. It's written in a gentle style and it feels like a microfiber cloth. The fabric is really soft, so I think it will catch even fine dust and dirt. You don't have to worry much about it scratching anything, and you can use your whole hand to wipe with it. I think you could also call it a cleaning glove, but you don't have to use it that way. It's really handy for when you want to quickly clean up a small area or pick up something you just dropped. You can slip it on your finger like this and use it to wipe, so it feels like you can do detailed cleaning with your fingertips. It seems like it would also be good for cleaning fake green plants, for example, so it's quite versatile. I just tried wiping my smartphone with this and the screen became really shiny and clean. It gets really compact, so you can easily store it in small spaces or gaps, or for example, you could keep it in your suitcase or something like that. Preparing it in advance doesn't take much space or get in the way. I thought having one on hand just in case might be a good idea. If you're interested, try searching for these cleaning kits, wash and dry them, then reuse. For those who want to keep things tidy, I recommend giving them a try. Thank you very much for watching. Yes, finally I bought this half-slide type pack lighter. Now there are various types of lighters for Seria, and they usually open like this, just in a normal way. Whether it's called a type or just the way it looks from the outside, it's not really a type, it's just like this. Recently the tip has become a bit longer, so you can use it while keeping some distance from the flame. There are different types, but I ended up choosing a simple lighter. With this, you can use it for about 2 times with just 100 yen, so I think it's better to have a transparent body so you can see how much is left. That way, you'll know when it's time to buy a new one. I thought it would be easier to understand the timing, so I chose this one. It's really simple. Just press the top here and the flame comes out. There's a minus and plus sign in front, so you can adjust it here. Lately, when I want to quickly refresh the scent at home, I use a fragrance lamp, so I want to use it for that purpose. Oh! Thank you very much for watching. If there's anything you'd like to see, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching until the end, whether you checked it out at the store or just watched. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This was Masako Ikeda. Bye bye! Thank you very much for watching.